Hey, my friend, it's Alex with Lover Fighter Writer, and in this video, I'm going to tell you 3 ways that you can use Jarvis to improve your SEO other than writing content. So, as we all know, Jarvis is a excellent AI copywriting software, which is highly useful for writing copy and content. And a lot of people, myself included, are having a lot of success writing blog content and improving their SEO that way. But there's actually a number of other ways that you can use Jarvis to enhance your website's search engine optimization other than just writing blog content or website content. And I'm going to tell you 3 ways that you can do that right now. So the first method is writing Pinterest descriptions and titles. So if you go to templates in Jarvis and social media, one of the templates is Pinterest pin, title, and description. And this does a really good job of writing keyword optimized Pinterest pin titles and descriptions. And Pinterest is, if you're not familiar with it, is a social media platform where you can post rich images and videos and link them to your blog articles or your website. Pinterest is really one of the most valuable social media platforms for bloggers because it's a great way of getting additional traffic, and although they are low value, they are technically backlinks, social backlinks from the pins that you make. And using the Pinterest pin title and description tool makes it a lot easier to put together keyword optimized pins really quickly, because you just need to create a visual, and then you can use a template of a visual over and over again so that it's fast and easy, and then you can use this template to write the content for it, and that's also fast and easy. And this is a pretty mundane and long process otherwise. Writing, like say you want to do 5 pins a day and you want to write good long descriptions for each of them, that would take quite a bit of time. But with this tool, it's really fast, really easy, and it's just easy to create multiple pins each day going to your blog articles. The second method that you can use Jarvis to enhance your website's SEO is right here. It's the Quora Answers template. And there's a lot of benefits to answering questions on Quora. If you spend enough time answering questions on Quora, you'll get invited to the partner program, and then you can potentially make money that way. But just in terms of enhancing your website's SEO, you are allowed to post links to your content when you answer Quora questions. If you do it in a way that's just obviously purely self-promotional, you might get your answer removed. And if you include an affiliate link, you'll almost definitely get it removed, and stuff like that. Like there are rules, but if you do a good job of answering a question and you include a link to a relevant resource, that is generally fine, and that's not going to get removed, and it can be a link to your website, and then you have a backlink from Quora, which is again a social backlink. It's it's going to be a no-follow backlink. It's not a super high value one, but it can still send you traffic, and that is a very good thing. All right, and the last one, the last method that you can use Jarvis to enhance your SEO, it's probably the most powerful and the least known of the 3, and that is sending in hero pitches to helpareporter.com. And so this is helpareporter.com, and basically if you are an expert, then you can come in here and you can sign up as a source, and other people who are journalists or who are publishers on big websites will sign up as well. And what happens is the journalists and the publishers, they send in questions or topics that they want expert quotes on, and then those topics and questions get emailed out to the sources. And as a source, you can reply to questions with a pitch, and if your pitch gets accepted, it's not guaranteed, but there's a good chance that you'll get a backlink to your website as a citation for your quote. So this is a really powerful and easy way to get really high quality backlinks, and I've been aware of it for a long time, and I just signed up recently. I've been amazed how easy it is to find questions that I can pitch for, and I've actually been using Jarvis and the Quora answers tool again to help me answer some of those questions. Generally what I'll do is I'll take the Harrow question, I'll put it into Quora answers, and I'll get some content, and then I'll move that content over into a long form document, and I'll finish writing it there using Jarvis and using my own writing. And then I just email that in, and if it gets selected, then there's a good chance that you'll get a backlink out of it. So those are 3 ways that you can use Jarvis to enhance your website's SEO. Hope you found that helpful. As always, please check the description of this video for any relevant links that you might want to click on, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.